Get out of my corn. Get in my belly.
What's going on, guys? Freezerbound Outdoors here. Today we are taking a look at some of this deer attractant from Walmart. I was walking through today. All this was marked down a couple bucks, so I figured let's try it. So we got the hanging licks from Rack 1. They're power stations. This is a hard block, comes with a long rope, and the smell of these is absolutely amazing. Whew. So I got grape and apple and nose. Rack 1 also has the giant protein peanut butter bar, which actually looks pretty good. I got 2 bags of the powder. The one here by Wild Game Innovations. This is a peach powder. Both these bags are like 17% protein, 12% fat. Very strong aroma to them. This one, like I said, is peach. This is Evolved Habitats. This is dried molasses. Plus it looks like dirt. So you won't be able to see that one so good on camera, but I'll show you exactly where I put it. We also have 2 of the blocks. We got the deer cane and we got the apple crushed. I got 4 bottles of this. This is the mud hole. This is a molasses as well. And I also got the apple buck snort from Wild Game Innovations. So what I'm going to do to start this test off, if you guys missed our Kool-Aid versus Big & J's long range attractant, Kool-Aid won by a mile. So a little packet of Kool-Aid on the corn instead of the Big J's. So what we're going to do first is, since I got double these, I'm going to pour this on a pile of corn and mix it up. I'm going to pour this on a pile of corn and mix it up. And I'll put them about 5-10 feet apart, somewhere in there. And we'll see which one I go to first. And we'll leave it up for about a week. And we'll leave the cameras on video so you guys can see which way they're walking up. And see if they prefer one or the other. So make sure you check out the Kool-Aid video. I think you'll be impressed. If you're new to our channel, we're an archery channel that just likes to have fun. Make sure you like the video, comment, and hit that subscribe button. Alright guys, we'll see you in the woods. Test number 1. Half a bucket of corn with the mud hole. Half a bucket of corn with the buck snort. One's apple, one's molasses. We'll have a bunch of cameras up, so make sure you stay tuned. What's up, guys? The main deer trail comes right through here and right up through here. So I'm gonna dump the corn out here and here. This side will be apple. This side will be the molasses mud hole. I'll have trail camera back here, trail camera back here. So if I show the footage from this one, I'll put reverse angle on it, so you'll know which side's which. Don't forget, apple, molasses. This has a little browner tint to it. That came out red, but it's already disappeared, soaked into the corn in the ground. So I just put the 2 cameras up there. We are using an old Moultrie and an old Stealth cam, all on video modes. We got 2 more of them right there. I want to make sure these guys work so we can give you guys the best video possible. Hey guys, don't forget to comment on what you want us to battle next. In all these photos, the molasses will be on the left, the apple will be on the right. So enjoy these pictures. They're 10-second clips. There's a bunch of them. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you check out our next one. It'll be the hanging power station apple versus the protein power bar versus the peach powder. Thanks for watching.